Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Hyperchain token. Now the Hyperchain token is about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. This token looks like it has potential. It's been trending in the top 10, top 12 for the past couple days. Right now it's trending number 5. Ticker symbol is Hyper. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Hyperchain token. So Hyperchain, they do have a full audit on PinkSale here. They were audited by Contract Checker, and you can view the PDF of that. They also have a KYC on here, which means their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. And they also have the Seifu badge on here as well, so all sorts of good features here. So this pre-sale is about to start in a couple hours. If you missed the pre-sale, though, no worries. This token will be listed shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap. You'll be able to get it over there. And liquidity is locked for 1,825 days. So that's a pretty long liquidity lock. Hyperchain is the name of the token. Hyper's the ticker symbol. 7 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 1 billion tokens. 100 million tokens for pre-sale. 57 million tokens for liquidity. Soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 200 BNB, and it's going to be a public pre-sale. It doesn't say whitelist only or anything like that, so anybody can enter. And yeah, there's no hard cap, so this token's just going to, the pre-sale is just going to continue until time runs out. So you'll probably have, a couple days to get in on there if you want to. Now, they have a bunch of socials. They have a Reddit, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, official webpage. They even have an embedded YouTube video called Hyperchain X NFT Marketplace. And yeah, according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 10% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 5.7% go to liquidity, 30% go to central exchange listings, 18% gaming ecosystem, 8% marketing, 4% team and advisors, 4% treasury, 1% founders, 5.3% liquidity, 5% lottery, 4% yield farming, 4% staking, and 1% burnt. Now there's a quick audit here by Contract Checker that you could view in the discussion section, and there's no warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says no mint function detected. Owner can change fees, but only up to 25% at max. Owner cannot change max transaction amount. Owner cannot disable trading, and owner cannot add blacklist users. So all sorts of good check marks on there on the quick audit. Now, if you go to their official webpage, it is hyperchainx.com. Over there, you're going to find more information. They do have a full white paper. They have a section about their NFTs. You can change the language, pre-sale info, all sorts of things on their webpage. So Hyperchain X is the next-gen gaming platform. They provide users a new opportunity by connecting 2 major industries. The gaming and cryptocurrency industries are 2 individual multi-billion-dollar platforms, and Hyperchain X is infusing them together to create an extraordinary and unique experience for its users. We are the all-in-one crypto gaming platform that consists of an NFT marketplace, launchpad that is tailored for the gaming industry, and a gaming platform with products such as 1v1 high-stakes battles, buy-in tournaments, live streams, league creation options for esports teams, and a crypto mobile games library. Hyperchain X believes in innovation within the gaming industry, and its future is fusing with the technology behind crypto. We have come to realize that there is a need to create a platform that promotes a dedicated commercial crypto gaming environment where gamers get familiar with the new hype in gaming and where the game developers can launch their products. We at Hyperchain X are fulfilling this dream. Created by gamers that know the game, for the game, and who play the game. Hyperchain X is an ideal next-gen gaming platform on the blockchain. Our platform is an all-in-one crypto gaming solutions that brings both worlds together, from game developers that can launch their new NFT collections on our launchpad to gamers that can earn crypto while gaming, and more. All the most popular games and blockchains will be compatible on the Hyperchain X platform, so there is no need to go anywhere else. The mobile application gives users the ability to easily manage their assets and other gaming-related content. So they have an affiliate program you can get involved with. There's a transaction burn. With every transaction, 0.1% is forever burnt from the total supply. The token price and market cap increases in value. Every buyback that is made will send those tokens to the dead address. This makes those tokens out of circulation. Buys and sells distribute a % of the transaction to all holders, increasing your hyper holding. Periodically, a staking will become active, giving the opportunity to earn hyper NFTs. These hyper NFTs can be staked to earn more hyper tokens. Staking NFTs to acquire hyper tokens, and staking Hypertron NFTs in the marketplace equity. These are all things you can do here. So also yield farming. Stake LP tokens to farm hyper NFTs. These hyper NFTs can be staked to earn more hyper tokens. The NFTs you acquire through staking can be sold in the marketplace. There's some launchpad fees and NFT marketplace fees. Looks like they're around 0.5%. Affiliate program. Yeah, so gaming platform currency, or gaming platform would make use of the hyper token in different ways, like 1v1 high stake battles, buy-in tournaments, game store credits, premium memberships, live stream donations, lottery, and member gifts. So yeah, I mean, you can look at all these different sections about the market potential, project links, pre-sale info, token metrics, token info, their NFT stuff, gaming platform. All of that is available on their white paper, which you can find at hyperchainx.gitbook.io. And check out this token going live today on pre-sale on Pink Sale. Right now they're trending number 6. Just look for Hyper in the Launchpad list, or check them out in the trending section. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.